I was fine with micro USB. What do you think about that in the comment section? I was fine with micro USB. And now everything's Class C. And my new phone is 25 watts. You know, high speed charging. I mean, did we really need that? I was fine with this 2 amp output at 5 volts. And this still works perfectly well for many of my devices. But let's check out some conductive copper foil here. And I want to get your thoughts on this, as well as I want to show you the performance of this stuff. Like if you're in the field and need to repair some things, you know, at the moment without access to a soldering iron. This has an adhesive backing, and then the front is just plain copper. Now, I've had a lot of trouble getting this to actually conduct, but as you can see here, I've kind of dialed it in with an LED just connected to 4.5 volts there. What I did is really focused on twisting this conductive copper foil's non-adhesive side, the non-adhesive side, to the leads on the anode and the cathode here of this LED. But if I connect the adhesive side to the connections there, to the leads, it doesn't conduct. So I'm not really sure what that adhesive side is for, if it really kind of impedes the usefulness of this conductive tape. I really like to have a good quality conductive tape or something to repair things like in the field where you can't get to a soldering iron. Like, for example, here I've got a solar panel, and I'll put that to the light there. You'll see that 5 volt, 2 amp voltage regulator that I soldered in here in this little box here, this little cute box, and it's got a USB out. I mean, that's typically the application I'd use with this solar panel, is to charge, you know, battery bank and then charge the other stuff, radios, etc., phones. But yeah, this is still, I'm not really happy with this copper conductive tape, and I'm not sure, you know, where to go from here as far as something a little bit more reliable. I mean, if I even just play with this stuff a little bit, you'll see that light go out. So I need something a little bit more rugged. So I'm showing you that it can work, that this tape can work, and it does work if used on the non-adhesive side. But then kind of like, then what's the purpose of the adhesive side if you're just kind of like twisting it like wire? Anyway, I'm looking forward to reading any comments below.